Hi there! You are watching a quick overview of the Safety app by CloudApper. This app was created to assist your organization with complying with safety regulations. As you can see, these are the different modules within the application. Clicking onto the Accidents module gives you access to all accidents that have been logged onto the application. You will see that here on top, you are able to link information related to the accident, such as injury, illness, investigation, and corrective actions. This module includes a multimedia feature that allows you to upload a picture or a video of the accident in real time. The Trainings module allows you to schedule training sessions for your employees so everyone is up to date with organizational safety policies. Clicking onto the Health Check module gives you access to your employees' health checklists to ensure safety within the organization. So get the Safety app today and ensure everyone is knowledgeable and safe.